love you guys. We're going to before we leave. Yeah.
Yeah, I heard you.
Loud and clear.
Oh, yeah. Joe, you want to twist this for me? Pick that up, lock out.
You already are, if you haven't noticed. That's 3 of them. That's 3 down.
Nice job.
Move up. I got you covered. That's 3 down. That was fucking awesome.
Watch your head, Rob.
Go.
Move up ahead of me. Go. Divide.
Watch that side. Right across. Whoa. That's close. Shoot, missed it. Got our 11 o'clock. Yeah! Come get some, huh? Thank you. Go. Woo, how's it going, man? Keep moving. Go down. You're right above us. Hit. Straight through here, man. I got people shooting right. You're out of ammo? Keith, see if you can take that spot. There's 3 targets right ahead of there, but we got. I can't get a good beat on it from in here. Shit.
Hit.
Shit. Alright, looks like we're going to be starting the last game of the day. We got Keeper with us today, and Darnell. Draco's over there too. We haven't seen these two in forever. We got some of our team. Here's Joe. I'm Joe, this is my drink. Everyone knows him from that. Alright. Some other people. Alright, how's it going, bud? Copy that. I'm going to come take over for you. I'm on my way. I'm shifting right. You? Oh, sorry, bud. Scared the shit out of me when you came right through there. You still good? Me too. Watch that tunnel. Oh, you good? You okay, man? You okay? Sorry, man. I just took somebody down right in front of me. I only have 1 target now in front of me. Far back at their tower. Go now, move up, now. Go. We are advancing. We are advancing towards the middle of the field, up top. Copy that, gotcha. I got targets off to the side of the Gotcha. Jraco! Oh, fuck. Jraco just got hit from the top. We got hit from the top. Go in the doorway. Check the top out quick. Shoot to my fire right for a second side. He's hit. I curved it right around the building at him. Hey, he's coming up on us there now. He's right in front of us. Get ready. And fuck it, just watch up there for a second. He's right there. Copy that. Yeah, Darky.
Keeper. That side wall.